going on, y'all? We getting in, got the copper lines in for the drain, for the wash and dry drain. As you can see, guys, this is called Pro Press. This is not sweated or soldered, it's Pro Press. And what Pro Press is, they use the copper lines. They use like a wrench, and it kind of press, it squeezes those hinges, no hinges, but those corners down, and makes like a tight fitting on these pipes. A lot of people don't like pro pressing. This is a new thing, but you know, some say it's better than PVC, some say it's not. It all depends on what you want. You know, I've used pro press pipes before, no leaks or nothing. So I mean, it all depends, guys. It all depends on what your thing is. They got the Studer pipe in for the washer, the vent for the washer. As you guys can see, it asks for, so just in case if your water overflows, like the water sits, it doesn't stink. It kind of allows pressure out, guys. So a lot of contractors don't install that, guys. And make sure your contractor also installs a trap. I used one contractor one time, paid him a couple $1,000s. He didn't even put a trap. When I used to wash my clothes, the whole room smelled like gas, smelled like fart. So guys, get referrals when you dealing with contractors. A lot of contractors are trying to take your money and don't know what the heck they're doing, guys, and get you caught up, you know, in the situation. It's coming along. So they got the hot and cold running with the copper lines. So I'm excited a little bit. I want to put the dishwasher right here, and we asked for $16.50, guys. Install the wash and dry dishwasher over the range microwave. We asked for $16.50 rent, guys, and pretty sure we'll get it. Pretty sure we get it, guys. So, guys, financial freedom isn't easy, but you know, you can do it, guys. I mean, I'd rather be doing this, you know, than working with someone, but I'm using the money from my job to fund my financial freedom. You know, don't let people tell you that work hard. There's no such thing as, there's no truth that says that you got to work hard to become rich and wealthy. You just got to be smart, you know, and work hard, guys. That's it. Be smart and put in work towards what you want to do in your life, guys. And that's what it's about, guys. And I'm out, guys. I'm out.